Are markets crashing, or are they just testing the resolve of the Fed and Treasury to step in and bail them out? So here we are, October 28th of 2020, and the markets have been selling off for a couple days. COVID cases are on the rise. We have an election coming up in a couple of weeks, and the media wants to tell you that there's going to be a blue wave, and they're doing everything possible to convince people that there will be a blue wave. So that's spooking the markets a little bit. A blue wave would not be good for the markets, real estate, or for the stock market, and you can Google that, do a little bit of research on that. But at the end of the day, what is really going on? So COVID cases are on the rise, and markets have gotten way ahead of themselves, relying on stimulus and Fed support. We did not get a stimulus package passed. I don't think we're going to get one until after the election. So the market is throwing a fit, and they are trying to bait the Fed back in to see how determined they are to support the markets, prop up the markets, and if they really do have the resolve to do that. So I believe we're going to see a bit of a sell-off here until the Fed jumps back in to prop the markets back up. And then once we get through the election, we'll get back to the stimulus package and negotiations. Nobody wants to give in on that right now. It's a big political battle. Unfortunately, people need the money. They need the help. They need the help. They need the support. And, you know, the politics, as usual, are not going to allow that to get out the door in a timely fashion. So I don't think you're going to see any kind of support or stimulus until after the election. So it'll be real interesting to see how the markets react in the next few days. So far, it's been a big sell-off. And the question is, how far and how deep is that going to go before the Fed jumps in and props it back up again? So is this a market sell-off because of a blue wave, because of COVID, or is the market just throwing a temper tantrum to see if the Fed will step in and bail them out yet again?